Hey lovelies, happy Mother's Day. I hope you had an amazing day today. Did you go out? Did your daughters or your family cook dinner for you at home? Like, what was your day like? Share it in the comments below. I love to just eavesdrop in your business for a little bit. But yes, happy Mother's Day. I truly believe this is one of the hardest jobs that exists. And kudos to you guys because just out here managing myself feels like a full-time job. Imagine managing myself and multiple kids at this stage in my life. You guys are truly amazing, and I just want to really take the time to just acknowledge y'all for doing what you do, and especially the ones who subscribe to my channel. Big up to you. All right, and on this note, I want to talk about celebrating small wins, because as a mother, you definitely understand this. You always have an endless to-do list, and there's always something to do, somewhere to be, someone to be, and that person sometimes is just not yourself. And it gets really hard when you have so much things on your plate and you just overlook the things, the progress that you're making, the things that you actually did that you said you were going to do, and just overall how you show up for everybody and sometimes not you, right? And it's so important to celebrate yourself on your journey, and every small win that you get to make it count for something. Do something nice without feeling bad for it, and it encourages you. In this season of my life, especially this year, I'm realizing where I'm giving a lot of energy to a lot of things where there's no encouragement reciprocating back to me. And I am slowly taking my energy out of those places, just because I realize that when they say encouragement is sweet labor, it's just not a saying, it's an actual thing. Like, you literally need to encourage yourself while you're on your journey, whether that's financial journey, your motherhood journey, whatever it is. Like, you have to encourage yourself along the way so that you feel motivated to show up for the people and the things even more, because you know that, okay, I achieved this and I did this for myself, I achieved that and I did this for myself. So there's always something that I'm celebrating with myself, and I personally have to get better at this, because I've always just achieved my goal, moved on to the next one, achieved that goal, moved on to the next, and then I start feeling like a zombie. And I wonder why, because I'm just not taking the time to just celebrate the fact that, hey, I did this, let's celebrate it, and then I move on, right? Like, today is day 39 on my daily posting journey, and sometimes I sit down, especially when I come to record my videos, and I'm like, man, I'm still doing this. Not because I'm surprised, but because I'm like, man, I'm still doing this. You know what I mean? Just being grateful and celebrating it, and not downplaying it, not making it seem like a small deal. Because I promise y'all, day one was way easier than day 5, than day 15. And then it just fluctuates in easeability, and especially on some days when my day is just like, I need it to be done already, and then I still have something else to do at the end. It's just a lot of mental load sometimes. And so taking intentional steps to celebrate myself is something that I have to prioritize, and I just really think you should prioritize it too. And it helps you to achieve your goals even more seamless, because you know that at the end of this goal, I have something that I'm waiting for, that is waiting for me, and now I'm gonna go do it because I want that thing. And it just keeps you on this slope of, just living a life that is easeful and exciting, right? Achieving goals and being disciplined and being consistent doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't have to be the worst thing on the world, on the planet. It can be fun and it can be interesting, and there are going to be days when you don't want to do anything. But of course, that's why rewarding yourself with something nice is the difference between having an exciting journey and a very regular one, right? So if you've been thinking about celebrating something that you've done this week, do it. It doesn't have to be a big thing. It can be a small thing, because of course you're gonna start small and work your way up. You achieve a small thing, you do a nice little small celebration, and then the celebrations can increase based on the goal if you want to do it that way, so that you're more enticed. Like whatever works for you. The idea is just get into practice of celebrating yourself, right? And yeah, I just thought I would share that, especially on this special day, that we don't celebrate our wins enough, and that could literally be the difference between achieving your goals or not. So if it's for you, take it. If it's not, that's okay. And yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'm not going to be long today. I just wanted to come on there and just chat with my mommies a little bit, and to just let you know I see y'all, and just go have an amazing, brilliant day. And thank you, really. And yeah. So I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Share this video with your mommy friend. Let her know I see her too. And subscribe to my channel, because if you do like what we talk about here, you should come hang out with the Invest in You fam, okay? And subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. And if you haven't checked out my 30-day reset, the link is in the description. That's a way that you can celebrate your small win. Just saying. Yeah, but I'll see you in the next one. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below how you spent your Mother's Day, if you're a mom, and or if you're not a mom, share it with your mom. I'll see you in the next one tomorrow. Let's go make some mistakes. Bye.